Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Tamanna Tabassum. I completed my internship from Holy Family Red Crescent Medical College in the year 2018, and I passed my MRCP UK Part 1 on 2019 first diet, and I would like to give the full credit to my almighty and to Dr. Shumanta Kumar Saha sir. I was so impressed the way he used to deal the patients and the way he made the communication with the patients, and so since then it was my great dream within me that yes, I need to be a doctor just like sir. So I just got admitted in the academy. Regarding the course, I must say this is so well organized and well structured, and this is a full package for a student. During the lectures about sir, what to say, he's the best teacher, I must say, in this world, and he's so brilliant. He has the capability to make the toughest topics and the difficult topics of medicine and deliver them in a way that was so easy for us to take in. And all those tips and tricks and SS box he used to give us in the classes. And I must honestly say that going back home, I never had to do any struggle to memorize all the thing by myself. And on the day of exam, I can remember, I just felt like I'm giving one of the mock tests in the academy. So I'm really very grateful to sir and this whole academy team. And I would strongly recommend everyone, every doctors actually, whoever, whatever the degrees they want to do, MRC, PMD or SCPS, whatever it is, they must take few time and train themselves under the guidance of Shumanta sir, just to be a good physician.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Fairuz Raisa from Holy Family Red Crescent Medical College. I passed my MRCP Part 1 UK exam in the month of September 2019, and I did my course for the exam from SS Academy. I had the luck to find Shumanta sir from my own medical college, so I knew that I want to sit for MRCP exam under his guidance from the very beginning. I was lucky enough, and starting this course during my internship days, I understood that the syllabus for MRCP UK exam is not very small. It's a very vast syllabus, and for that reason the correct technique is necessary for passing. And Shumanta sir gives such good technique for such vast topics in such a short time that it becomes easier for the students to go through each topic with very much of ease. For that reason, taking the preparation for me was not very difficult, and passing the exam in the month of September, I realized that just studying efficiently with perseverance under his guidance with proper optimism is all you need to pass for the exam. That is why I would like to recommend everyone, every doctor who wants to sit for this exam, to be under the proper guidance of a mentor like Shumanta sir under SS Academy to get appropriate results.
I, Dr. Sreyasri Bandha from Holy Family Red Crescent Medical College, passed MBBS in 2017 and passed my MRCP Part 1 in September 2019 diet. MRCP Part 1 syllabus, it was vast syllabus, and sir made it easiest. And in past class, the 7P, for me it was a vaccine, and in every class it was a booster dose for me, like, and without sir, nothing was possible for me. I strongly recommend the SS Academy for everyone to join here, and you should invest in yourself. Definitely you can afford it.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Abir Hassan from Sir Solihullah Medical College. I passed MRCP UK Part 1 on September diet in 2019. One of my colleagues recommended me to join SS Academy. Then I viewed one of their video lectures on Facebook, and since then I became a fan of Shumanta sir. Then I really committed myself to give MRCP Part 1, and I joined their advanced revision batch program. I sincerely believe that all the boxes and mnemonics that sir has given us, it really helped us, and I actually felt this during when I was in the exam hall. I was feeling that all the boxes were surrounding in my memory while I was reading them. There are few juniors and a lot of seniors also who are trying to pursue their MRCP degree, and still they are very confused about how to get a proper guideline. So all I can say is that if you are in SS Academy, you don't have to think about anything. Give all the burden to Sumanta sir and just study, and this thing will be the best for you. So I will request all the students who are confused about giving MRCP, just close your eyes and start the course from SS Academy. I am damn sure that you will succeed in future.
Assalamualaikum. I'm Dr. Samiha Haq from Ibrahim Medical College. I passed MBBS in 2016 and I passed MRCP in 2019 September date. At first I started for MRCP part 1 at home. Then I realized that I'm forgetting everything after every chapter I finished. Then I got recommendation for MRCP part 1 for SS Academy from a friend of mine who strongly recommended for this academy, and I really trusted her and got admitted here. And I saw the teaching method of Dr. Sumanta Kumar Saha, which really amazed me, and the SS boxes were really helpful. And this was really helpful even during the exam. I found so many answers of questions just going through the SS boxes. And I really strongly recommend every doctor all over the world to join the online or lively classes or the ongoing regular classes with SS Academy if you want to pass MRCP.
I'm Dr. Muhammad Shahidul Islam. I passed MBBS in 1994 from Sher-e-Bangla Medical College, Bangladesh. Then a long time I was working outside, but also I was disheartened that I will not do anything in future. So I saw in internet the SS Academy course. Then I joined last year. I finished my course 1 year in SS Academy. Then last September, that means 2020 September, I appeared in the MRCP part 1. I successfully passed the examination, and I got a lot of help from SS Academy because Sir Sumanta Saha gave lecturer SSB box note and so too many mock tests there. I was prepared nicely, and when I appeared in the exam, that I didn't get any discomfortable in the examination, and I got a lot of mark. I am advising all of the doctors who have already passed in the MBBS examination, they should join with this academy, and I hope successfully they will be do first part, second part and mock. So I am advising everybody to join this SS Academy.
Assalamualaikum. I'm Dr. Habibur Rahman from Central Medical College. I passed my MBBS exam in 2017. I passed my MRCP Part 1 exam on 2019 on 3rd date. After completing my internship, I'm really a little bit worried about my future. আমি যখন ফার্স্ট টাইম সুমন্ত কুমার সাহা স্যারের একাডেমিতে আসি, তখন আমি অ্যাকচুয়ালি বুঝতেছিলাম না যে কিভাবে স্টার্ট করবো MRCP Part 1. Then স্যার লেকচার, স্যার SS box, স্যার guidance, everything makes me to do possible MRCP Part 1, and I strongly recommended everyone to join SS Academy and to become a successful candidate of MRCP Part 1. I really feel proud to be a pioneer from Central Medical College, Kumilla, as I am the first one who got MRCP Part 1 from this medical college. I advise you to my juniors and also my colleagues to join SS Academy and pass the MRCP Part 1 exam.
Assalamualaikum. I am Dr. Tashfia Malia Zaman. I passed my MBBS in 2016 from International Medical University, Malaysia, and I passed my MRCP Part 1 in 2019 September date. If I want to describe SS Academy in one line, it will be medicine made easy. MRCP, there is a huge syllabus, and often we don't know what we need to study. But when you join SS Academy, you will know what you need to know. And Sumanta sir is excellent in that. He will guide you in such a way that when you sit for the exam, you won't face any difficulty. Also, there is one unique thing about SS Academy which I find very helpful was the video lectures. Often sometimes you miss a class, and then if you want, you can use the video lectures, which is as effective as the regular classes. So I would like to recommend everyone who likes to sit for MRCP Part 1 to come and join SS Academy and then pass with flying colors.